Sushant sir has become a household name in Bhubaneswar when it comes to IT education and computer science related training. With more than 2 decades of teaching and IT training experience and over 2 lakh students being trained by him, Mr. Sushant Kumar Raut has shaped the careers of countless individuals. Sushant Kumar Raut, born in Narsinghpur, Odisha, into a modest family. Financial struggles defined his early years, but his passion for education, especially information technology, was strong. Despite his challenging circumstances, he pursued his dream to learn and eventually teach others. This determination became the driving force behind his journey and success. Coming from a humble background, Sushant sir is widely known and respected. His institute, Lakshya Institute of Technology, is a leading academy, a dream destination for students aspiring to become software professionals. A dedicated and sincere trainer, Sushant sir is always ready to teach any serious student. Staying true to his mission of transforming Bhubaneswar into a hub of IT and computer science professionals who can meet the needs of the IT industry, Sushant sir is high spirited in all his endeavors. Sushant sir began his career teaching computer fundamentals in Cuttack, earning a meager 500 rupee per month. Despite the low pay, his passion for teaching and self-improvement stood out. He spent evenings studying and preparing for lessons, always striving to improve his skills in computer languages. His journey was one of relentless dedication. To become a top-tier trainer, Sushant sir sought excellence by training under direct supervision of Dr. Yashwant Kanetkar in Nagpur, a renowned author and expert in C programming. Since then, Sushant sir has never looked back. From his days as a C language trainer in Cuttack to establishing himself in Bhubaneswar, it took him 5 years to solidify his place as a leading IT trainer. He registered himself with Lakshya, a training institute, where he worked tirelessly from morning to night, engaging with students, preparing study materials, answering queries, and managing daily operations. His dedication was unparalleled. Along with teaching, Sushant has authored several popular programming books, including Tips and Tricks on C Programming and C Programming. Test Your Knowledge. His books, widely adopted by students across India, are known for their clear explanations, making complex topics accessible. Sushant's influence has extended beyond the classroom through his writing. After returning from Bangalore, Sushant sir established himself as one of Odisha's most sought-after IT trainers. His ability to simplify complex programming concepts quickly gained him a reputation. From the early 2000s, he trained students in various languages like C, C++, Java, and Python, becoming a go-to trainer for software development careers. In 2011, Sushant founded Lakshya Institute of Technology in Bhubaneswar with a vision to provide high-quality IT education. It started as a small training center but quickly gained popularity for its rigorous courses in languages like C, Python, Java, and .NET. It became a leading institute for IT training in Odisha. Its success was fueled by Sushant's hands-on approach to teaching and mentoring. He closely monitored the progress of his students, offering the support needed to help them succeed. By 2016, it had established itself as one of Odisha's premier IT training centers, introducing undergraduate programs like BCA and B.Sc. Data Science. Sushant has trained over 3 lakh students, many of whom secured jobs in multinational companies. His vision to make Bhubaneswar an IT hub is gradually becoming a reality. He has also emphasized the importance of soft skills, helping students develop holistically, preparing them for leadership roles in the tech industry. Continues to grow. Sushant aims to expand its reach across Odisha. He plans to introduce advanced courses in fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. His journey from a small village to becoming a leader in IT education is a testament to his unwavering dedication to empowering students.